Hi guys, my name is Zida and welcome to my channel. For today's video guys, I want to test, it's not a brand new, but it's, yes, Tarte Cosmetics. I've already, as you know, used a Tarte Shape Concealer. This is the famous one, but today I really want to test the other products makeup from Tarte. That's why I make this order online, and I'm so happy because every time when I order some makeup from Tarte, they let you in the box a gift, and this time it was this. But I decided to make it in a giveaway because yes, it will be a giveaway. The foundation, guys. This is a Shape Tape Matte Foundation. It was a big controversy about this foundation because of the shade range. But I've never tried it, and I'm not here for that. I mean, I'm not a big influencer or things like that, but anyway, I just want to try it since the concealer work really great on me. I just really want to try this one. This is the Double Duty Beauty Tarte Shape Tape Matte Foundation, and yeah, I just want to try this one. Also, the brush come with, but I've already tried a Tarte brush and I wasn't so happy with some of them, so I'm not sure about this one. And this one is the highlighter brush. I've already have one from Fenty Beauty that I love, by the way. The mascara, I've seen a lot, I've chosen the black shade. I've seen a lot of YouTubers talking about this mascara. They said that it's awesome, bomb, things like that, so yeah, why not? Here it is. Let's see. This is the trio of trio of eyeliners. Yes. Here it is. Excited. A palette, face palette. It's a really great palette because I like when it's small like this, and I hate when the palette is big because it's too much and I know that I will not use it for sure. This is a lip pencil. I've never seen anyone talk about lip pencil from Tarte. That's why I chosen this one. And also eyeshadow. This is a shade Scandal. Oh, it's already broken, I feel like, because I see some shadow here. Okay, oh yes, it is. Oh, this is why I hate online. Oh guys, it's broken. Okay, I don't know how to fix it, but I have to. Oh, it's all totally broken. Really, I hate that. Okay, go ahead. Don't know how to fix it, guys. So if you know how to fix broken eyeshadow, please let me a comment. So, because I pay this with my own money, not easy. And the last, but not the least, is the blush. And I've chosen this blush. This is the Captivating blush. Yes, let's do it. My brows are already done, as you know, as usually. I will start with my eyes, so I will prime my eyes. Now I will use this shadow. The name is Candle, already broken. It's like this. on all my eyelid. Oh, this is a beautiful, I want you to see. This is really a beautiful color, like really beautiful color. It's a shimmery color, as you know, as you see by yourself. Just pack on my eyelid like this. And since I don't have an eyeshadow, since I don't have, so for blending I will use the Tarte, the contour palette from Tarte. I will use the bronzer to blend. Oh, it's powdery. It's powdery, but it's okay. It sounds to be pigmented. Oh yeah, it is. Oh, and the shade sounds to be good for me. It's not too warm and not too cool. It's a really good shade. I'm so excited to try it on my face. This is a trick. When you don't have the crease shadow, you can use your bronzer. I love it. It's really easy eye look, guys. Now I will make some eyeliner. I think I will choose the black one just to make the difference, because this is brown and I don't want to choose the brown one because I have the brown and this color here, it's like a red one. Don't know, not red, like cherry one. Don't know. Here it is. I feel like we can twist it. Oh yes, this is a double eyeliner. So you have the pencil here, sorry, and the tip here. Cool, love it. But for today, I will just use the eyeliner. So pigmented. Jump to the mascara, guys. So excited. This is the biggest applicator I've never seen in my life. Don't know what I think about this. No, not the best. Jump to the face. I will try the Tarte Tape matte foundation from Tarte. So I've seen a lot of review on this one, and I know that it's a doe foot applicator, by the way, like this. Wow, I don't know how much I need. Oh, by the way, the shade is Fair Neutral. Beauty blender. But as I told you guys, it was, and it's still, I think, like a big controversy, and I agree with that for sure. I mean, And I think that Tarte said that they will come with more shades, but we're still waiting, guys. It dries very quick, so you have to work quickly with this foundation, sorry, because it really dries quickly, like okay. And if you have a dry skin, maybe it's not the good time to use it. What I like with this kind of applicator is the fact that you can choose the places you didn't feel big coverage, and you can just apply it in the places you feel that you need more coverage, you know what I mean? Lately my skin is really dry, and I feel that this foundation doesn't help. As it's a matte foundation, I can understand, but it dries so quickly, like really. Okay, I didn't put too much because I'm not a full coverage girl, as you know. The finish, oh yeah, the finish, you don't need really to set it. I mean, it's full coverage, but I didn't put too much here because I want to see my freckles. It's my choice, but I feel like it's a full coverage foundation. It dries quickly. It sets like you see. I don't know if you really see it, but look at this. No. It doesn't worth your money, guys. I'm so sorry, but it's the truth. For me, it doesn't work for me. So yeah, it doesn't work for me. So I don't know. Let's do the concealer. Here it is. I don't recommend this foundation. But as you know me, I will use it again just to be sure, because my skin those days are really dry. And maybe you can mix it with an oil or things like that. Sometimes I like doing this just to see if the foundation can be less dry. I will just set my under eye quickly and I'll be back. Under eye are set. Just take. I don't need to set the rest of my face because it's already dry, and yeah. Okay. Jump to the rest. I will do my under eye now, and I will use only the bronzer. By the way, I know that my hair are a real mess. I know that my hair are a real mess, but I will fix it. Okay. So, products I hate is both of them. The foundation and the mascara. I don't like it. The eyeshadow, perfect. The eyeliner, love it. So let's do some contouring and bronzer and things like that, just to play with this. This is too big for the palette, so I need to choose a smaller brush like this one here. Seriously, oh, it's really pigmented. I really like this palette. The face palette is bomb. This is a really good palette for trips, travel. Love it. For blush, captivating blush. Let's see. It's not powdery at all. I love the shade. It doesn't have a smell. Love it. Time for highlighter, and I will use the one in this palette here. It's a subtle highlighter, guys, but really good one. I like it. The palette is really bomb. Oh, it smells like chocolate. Really, it smells like chocolate, guys. It's creamy. It smells like mentally, I don't know why. Oh yeah. So refreshing. So guys, this is the final look. What I think? Okay, foundation, mascara, thumbs down. Don't like it, doesn't worth the money. I mean, no, I really don't like it at all. I will use it again, as you know, to be fair, with any product I try. So yeah, I will give it another try, another chance, and I will see. Things I really love is this palette here. This is the Tarte face palette, a contour palette. I really like it. I mean, it's worth it for sure. And the lip also, the lip pencil and the blush, those are really, really great. The eyeshadow, guys, was broken, so I'm disappointed about that. So please let me know if you like it or not. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and to support. Thank you so much for watching this video, and yes, see you later. Big kiss.